Today we are at Mount Sunflower. We're gonna walk up this dirt road. I think it's about a quarter mile. And then we will be at the highest point of Kansas. And you cross over this. And there are lovely cows to share the area with up this dirt road. And it appears that it's right up there. Hi, cows. The cows are staring at me over there. I think they're friendly cows. Beware of the cow pie. If you can drive, there are lots of tire prints. So you might be able to drive up. It seems very easy to, but we thought we might need to work for it just a little bit instead of just driving to the spot. That's cute.
It is.
Wow. High point of Kansas. Full of some bones. Nice skull. Look how cute. Good job. Way to walk.
Nice job.
There's a book in here that we can sign our names. So I think there's a pen inside.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Another one, number 8. Over up. Over here, they have some other and a memorial. So apparently this is a working cattle ranch. So the cattle have the right of way. So make sure you're aware of that. And then there's this neat other little structure here. Maybe it's a place to sit without the cattle around you. Oh, it's the little mini library. I did read about that as well. Careful of the giant hole. Oh. Good job. Way to walk.
Nice job.